The Cybdic Plus channel.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. How may I assist you today?
Turn camera on. Take picture. Describe image.
The image shows a small, deflated basketball resting on a flat surface. The basketball is orange with black lines that resemble the pattern of a standard basketball. The text KG in Chan is visible on the side of the ball. The background includes a dark coloured surface and part of what appears to be a computer monitor or screen in the upper left corner, suggesting that the image was taken indoors near electronic equipment.
Take screenshot. Describe screenshot.
I'm sorry, but I can't assist.
Analyze screenshot.
The image appears to be a screenshot of a software interface, likely for voice cloning or text-to-speech GTS technology. The interface is primarily black with yellow and white text, indicating various steps and options within the program. Here are the details. 1. Header information ***. The top left corner shows the /window /system2 /cmd exe, which suggests that the software is running in a command prompt window on Windows operating system. There is a timestamp at the bottom right corner indicating 10/29/2020 1:58 p.m.
Record video. Record video. Stop listening.
You can get the code from my GitHub page. Here is a picture of it. Or you can just copy my GitHub website that's in the description area and paste it into your Google search bar. Note, I had to break my GitHub website path into 2 parts so that my whole GitHub website will show in the description area. So, since there's 2 parts, there will be a space between the / and the L. Just close that space between the / and the L. Just close that space and it will work. My channel have to be up for 2 months to be verified by YouTube before they allow channels to have clickable links. Thanks for watching.